So, here we are again. I never thought I had to make another one of these types of videos, but tragedy struck. Anyways, so in season 13, Carl Edwards ended up retiring from the series, even though he'd only been there for 2 seasons. He knew that he was not going to end up, winning that often in the series, so he felt like he's already done everything he could in the series, even though he only won 1 championship in his rookie season. But he ended up leaving, and so we had someone else come in and replace him. And someone else was Mark Martin. Now, to be honest, no one really had that high hopes for Mark Martin, because he was trying the 5 car, and the 5 car was normally considered not a very good car. But, rookie, let's see what he can do in that car. So, in his first race ever, which was a short track, he got eliminated round 1. Which is alright. I mean, he's a rookie in the 5 car. 5 car is not known for doing that good. But, let's give him time. Let's see what he can do. And the next race was, I think, one of the first races back on the superspeedways. And as we all know, Jesus is not a very clean driver anymore. Or I should say, was not a very clean driver. Lap 3 on the speedway, Mark Martin was running around the top 15, doing pretty good in his first ever speedway. And then he had to start right next to Jesus. And we all know what probably happened there. So Jesus in the 43 this season ended up adoring the hell out of Mark Martin, even though he didn't do anything. Which unfortunately led to Mark Martin just barrel rolling into the wall. Very hit. Which, I mean, it's normally survivable. Normally it's a survivable hit. Most drivers have, survived worse hits than that. But then something interesting happened. The tires, they fell off the car. This is the first time ever I've had a car hit the wall so hard that the tires just fell right off. And if you're gonna have a hit that hard, you're dead. You're just dead. If your tires come off, you're gone. You're dead. So unfortunately, in the second ever start in LNBC, Mark Martin was killed by Jesus. Which was the end of it all for Jesus. Everyone wanted to kill him. And actually, the next race of the superspeedways, they got their wish. So after Jesus managed to injure Elliott Sadler, Magic decided to take matters into his own hands. So in a very epic moment, Magic decided that enough was enough, and he was going to kill Jesus by himself. He was screwed out of the championship 3 times by Hurt Pass, so he decided, you know what, you're going to Brazil. And so he just scored her straight into the wall where, she just got decapitated, on the bench very casually. Very nice. No one cares for Jesus, alright? We don't care. We wanted her gone. We wanted payback for Mark Martin. Guess what? We got payback in. She's technically still alive in the series. She's gonna be in the Bush series in season 15, but very epic payback. But unfortunately, even after all that, we still lost what could have been a great rookie. We could have had one of the best drivers ever in LNBC. But we'll never find out now. As we're in season 14, Larson decided to take the 5 car out of respect for Mark Martin. He is in the championship 6. And with the championship race coming on New Year's, January 1st, 2021, to honor the first anniversary, 1-year anniversary of LNBC. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have a lot of fans to he wins it from Mark Martin because, to be honest, nobody could be mad if he just went back to back. But, anyways, all we can ask now is what could have been Mark Martin.